Citi Virtual Card Numbers, or VCNs, are temporary digital card numbers linked to your existing Citi credit card. They act as a shield when you shop online, protecting your actual card details from potential fraud. When you make a purchase, the funds are drawn from your real account, but your sensitive information stays secure. This greatly reduces the risk of fraud, since if the VCN is compromised, your actual credit card number remains safe. No extra fees apply for generating VCNs, and they're available to eligible Citi cardholders in the US via the Citi app or website. Limits on spending apply to help maintain security. To get started, log into the Citi app or website and navigate to the Cards section, then select Virtual Cards. You may need to verify your identity through biometrics or a one-time passcode. From there, you can generate a VCN for a specific merchant or create a general use VCN. Once generated, you will receive the VCN instantly. During online checkout, simply enter the VCN instead of your real card number. You can also set spending limits for each VCN to control your exposure. VCNs are ideal for subscriptions, e-commerce sites like Amazon, or any online purchase where you want an extra layer of security.